Ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant evening to all of you. Today, we are inviting you to share our vision for a greener, healthier Philippines. Luntiang Pilipinas is a massive nationwide greening program we are determined to undertake in our 6 years as senators. Through this program, we seek to create forest park in each and every municipal and provincial plaza, as well as in the vicinity of government offices, along public roads, in parks, churchyards, and school campuses all over the archipelago. Luntiang Pilipinas is unique because it does not intend to duplicate or replace tree planting such as those initiated within nude forest and mountainous areas. Instead, it proposes to create or to develop 1,500 forest parks in urban areas. Each forest park will have a minimum of 100 trees in various species planted at a maximum of 4 meters apart in available lots and 2 meters apart along roadways. Trees need care. To ensure growth, they must be tended for 3 to 5 years, and urban centers must provide an accessible site. We also want our trees to be visible because what we want to achieve is to raise the level of awareness of the people to the fact that trees are beautiful, trees are useful, and growing trees are definitely 100% doable. At this point in time, growing trees has become essential to our survival. If 10 years ago, we urged you to save water, because time will come that we will buy our own drinking water. But what are we actually doing now? Are we not selling 15 pesos for a small bottle of mineral water? So if I told you now to start planting trees because we stand to purchase oxygen in the near future, do you think the thought is too far-fetched with all the respiratory diseases ailing us and our children right now? I don't think it's a very remote possibility. Trees need care, and indeed, our very nature as human beings calls for a symbiotic relationship with trees. They supply the oxygen we breathe, and while we exhale the carbon dioxide they require. Moreover, in absorbing carbon monoxide, they also help promote cleaner, fresher air we all desire in our congested urban environment. The wheel, in a sense, becomes the lungs of the city. Undoubtedly, there is truth and wisdom in the saying, there would be no life if there were no trees. We do not claim to have all the answers in our country's diminishing forest resources. Rather, what we aim to achieve through Luntiang Pilipinas is to make a modest contribution to existing efforts in reforestation. We believe that not a few Filipinos share our dream to a healthful ecology and participate actively in our organized, collective, and goal-oriented movement to achieve this goal. We have launched the program last October 23 at the Rizal Park in Metro Manila. And we have launched this program in 23 sites already, including Metro Manila and some provinces. The key to the success of this program is by the support of government and private sectors, as well as civil, social, religious, military, and professional organizations. Which is why we have come to seek your support, our forward-looking men and women leaders. Let us bequeath our beloved cities and municipalities with a legacy of life. Thank you very much.